Today, what we're going to do is just to give you a little bit of a heads up. What is aging workforce? That's a very interesting topic happening all across the world within the fraternity of safety. Now, I understand probably different countries, different parts of the world or different countries do have a different definition of aging workforce. Now, you've got to forgive me. I'm not too sure what is the official definition back in India for a person who's classified as an aging employee. But in Australia, in line with the Australian Bureau of Statistics, the definition, the official definition provided to us is any person who touches age 45 and above 45 comes under the bracket of aging workforce. So right now it's a question across the world to put forward a kind of a proposition to the employer to ask him or her or ask the organization, is your organization ready to manage aging workforce? Because in many parts of the world, there's no set date in terms of retirement. I suppose with the cost of living, and also you got a bit of, in different parts of the world, you have that generation gap. And there is a little bit of deficiency in the younger generation coming into the workforce. There are a lot of reasons why you have workers who choose to work beyond their 70 years age bracket. So it does not mean that they're going to be a liability for an organization. So aging workforce and safety is all about looking into different facets of having these matured age workers working in an organization. Yes, of course, biologically and physiologically, there's going to be a lot of changes, which is a part of the process, I suppose, for every living organism in this world. So coming back to employees, so it could be anything to do between your eyesight, your hearing capability, your musculoskeletal system, your cardiovascular system. You've got lots of other things that you need to take into account. We need to look into the aging workforce as an asset rather than a liability, because it is the experience, it is the rich knowledge and experience that these workers, this cohort of mature age group do have. So come along as explore and look into what are the different things that an organization could consider modifying their workplaces to be able to cater to this aging workforce. How can the matured workers can actually add value more than expected? What are the other myths actually attached to this cohort of workers? There's always a stigma. Let's look into it. How can we change it? How can we enhance the mindset of the young generation? How can we change the mindset of the aging workforce? And also, collectively, how can we change the mindset of the employers? Because together, we are actually feeding our local economy. So come along, enjoy the session, and let's see what we can do to enrich our lives. Let's learn together. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us.